in learning more about how you can stop criminal activity in your neighborhood? If so, meet the NCJRS, or the National Criminal Justice Reference Service. This database allows you to obtain information about stopping crime in your area. This information includes things like grants and funding, info, and just random articles that explain the justice system in America. I have been interested in the justice program for a little while. I don't like seeing criminals run rampant in the United States, and this really helps me find a way to stop them within my neighborhood. I'm going to teach you how to use this database, the NCJRS, to help you obtain grants and funding for your neighborhood criminal justice programs. The basic way to find anything is your basic search tab. You can search drugs, and it will bring you to many articles on drugs. It would on drug problems, drug stopping, drug laws, testing, just plenty of articles on the topic you search for. If you don't know what to search for, you can head to the A to Z Topics tab. And this brings you tons of topics that you may not have thought of, like white collar crime. Who knows what that means? You can look it up. It is basically internet crime. So yeah, now you know you can learn something every day. If you have any questions, they do have a question and answer tab. It's kind of a very old-timey Siri. You search it. Top question is how many missing and exploited children are in the United States. This would talk about the kidnapping, human trafficking problem in America. It would probably tell you stats about it. The most advanced way to get around on this website, if you really are looking something really specific, you would head to the Advanced Thesaurus, which is a little tiny button right here. You click on it, and this you'd search for a term. Like this would be where you'd search for a name. So let's search Alan. And if there's any Alan that they know about, which they don't know, because Alan isn't a thesaurus name, you can search needles. Let it load. Takes a while to load. Maybe needles is a big thing. There is one result, needle syringe exchange programs. So if you need an article on that, you search needles. This brings specific articles to you. Stopping crime by yourself is hard. It's even harder if you're broke. The way to learn about grants and funding in your area on the NCJRS is simple. You can use your search bar. You can use your topics bar, the question and answers bar, and the Advanced Thesaurus. Now that you know how to obtain grants, get funded, and stop crime through the NCJRS, I would be obliged to stop by your safe community.